Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mandy. Thank you so much for coming. Today we're going to be doing the Walmart seasonal box. This is a free box that they charge you $5 to ship, and it comes out 4 times a year. It is a subscription, so you do subscribe to it, and they send it out for the seasons. This is my second box that I've received for them. The first box was awesome. You can't complain for $5. Normally, like the Target boxes, I love. They're like my favorite boxes. I get them for what, $6 and change. I love those boxes. I look forward to them. So I'm looking forward to seeing what's in this box this month, or this season, I should say. So that is what it looks like. Oh, you open it up and it is full of goodies that's going to fall out. $5. So it has a little card on here. Hydration Heroes. Rate and review this season's products at walmart.com/tp/shopbeautybox. And there's the card. And then it's entered to win a $100 gift card if you do a survey. All right. So it doesn't tell you, you don't get anything telling you what's in the box. But this is cool. I don't believe I got this last time. So they send you a little makeup bag. It's got a little tassel on it. Little little water droplets. It doesn't feel bad. It has a little Walmart symbol on the back. That's kind of cute, you guys. I'm impressed. I did not get this the last time. Like the little tassels. I actually like it. It's cute. It's nice size. Black inside. So that'll give me something to put the products in as I review them. I have this. I have used this. And I love this. I love this whole line of their masks. Their Donkey Milk is amazing. So this is the Black Charcoal Bubble Sheet Mask. Detoxify, Oxygenate. I can't talk today. And Radiance. So, I love it. Love this product. Super excited to try that. And it's going to go in my little bag. Alright, so the next thing is Olay Daily Facials Daily Hydrating Clean Grapeseed Extract. 5-in-1 cleansing power of a makeup remover, scrub, toner, mask, and cleanser. And it says it's a dry cloth. I've never seen this. It says wet cloth and massage into hands to activate a luxurious lather. Cleanse face thoroughly, then reuse cloth for final rinse. Dispose of cloth, do not flush. And it says removes dirt, oil, and makeup, even mascara, 2 times better than basic cleansing. Smooth skin as it cleanses with soft fiber polishers, and replenish skin's natural hydration as you cleanse. Okay, I will be trying that out because I buy the Neutrogena wipes all the time. But that's kind of cool. I'll definitely try that out. All right, so the next thing, they do send a lot of foils because it's free, but you just pay for shipping. So this is Garnier Skin Active Soothing 3-in-1 Moisturizer Day-Night Mask made with rosewater. Nice. Definitely am down for any masks. Day, soothes and hydrates skin daily. Night, nourishes and nurtures skin night after night. Mask, let it sit on for 10 minutes. It intensely nourishes and reduces skin's tightness. So you could use this for any one of those things. You could use it as a mask. Sorry, I'm adjusting. You can use it as a mask. You could use it just as a moisturizer. All right, so the next thing, this is Neutrogena's new release, the way it looks or whatever. And this is a lip mask. That's cool because I would love to try this. Collagen infused lip masks. I don't know if you've tried lip masks before. They're fun. They're uncomfortable. Best to lay down when you do them. But they work. They definitely get your lips softer. So it says apply lip mask directly on clean makeup-free lips. Leave on for 10 to 15 minutes or longer. Remove mask when done and dispose of. Probably use this tonight. I think I'm out of lip masks. So, thank you, Walmart. All right, there's still some more foils in here that I'm seeing. Oh, and then Neutrogena gives you Be the First to Try. Available in stores and Walmart in January of 2019. So this is all their new. And I've seen a lot of this on YouTube videos. I want to try that blush. So Cheeky Wink Flush Blush. Collagen Kiss, that lip mask. Glow On Liquid Highlighter. It Matters Mattifying Primer Stick. Sheer Smooch Lip Oil. And Protect and Tinted Moisturizer. So that is their whole, that new line that they've just come out with. So that's really neat. Alright, so it looks like there is 2 more items. Oh, it has a little thing about that, that lotion that we just did. And this one is from Garnier Fructis Damage Repairing Treat 1 Minute Hair Mask. Love a 1 minute hair mask so you're not sitting there forever with, in the shower with a hair mask. So it says, what does 98% naturally derived mean? Okay, that's not what I'm looking for. Okay, 3 ways to soft, smooth, and damaged repaired hair. How to use. As a mask, after shampoo, apply onto wet hair and leave on for 1 minute, rinse. As a conditioner, after shampoo, apply to hair from root to tip, rinse. As a leave-in, apply on damp hair for intense surface repair. So there's actually quite a bit in there. So there's probably like 3 uses in there for me. And it is silicone and paraben free. And it's vegan formula. So that's a bonus. And then it comes with a little thing to show you the different ones. This is papaya extract. And it looks like they have, but doesn't really, can't really tell. But it does show you. But it's so small, it's hard to see. Alright, so there is 1 more item in my $5 box. That's why I love these boxes so much. And I definitely tell everybody to go get these boxes because it's worth it. You can't afford $5 for a baggie full of stuff. So as you've seen, this is the last product. It is a very decent sized moisturizer. I mean, it's great to put in the purse. Curel is something we all know. Hydrotherapy, oh wow, this is the wet skin moisturizer. I've never used this and I wanted to try this. This is awesome. So this is water activated, and it is, let's see what it says. After showering or bathing, apply hydrotherapy to wet skin. Glides on smoothly and absorbs immediately. No need to rinse off or wait, and then you towel dry. So you put this on when you're as soon as you get out of the shower, and then it absorbs into the skin a lot faster, and it moisturizes you way quicker. It doesn't have a scent to it really, but I was gonna go buy this because I wanted to try it. I've heard a lot of good things about these moisturizers. This is not the only company that makes it. But we all know who Curel is. It's not a cheap company anyway. Definitely we'll be doing this tonight when I get out of the shower because I'm excited for this. So, you guys, I'm super, super happy. I know I'm down a little bit farther than I should be. But anyway, this was my, again, $5 seasonal Walmart box that was full of goodies, like full of things to use. And, you know, for $5, it's so worth it. So I suggest you go and try that out. But anyway, guys, thank you again for coming and watching my videos. I will have my regular Itsby and Birchbox and all that videos. What's the other? BoxyCharm. They will be coming up. And also my AP, I have 1 more of those coming. I did not cancel in time, so there's still 1 more of those coming. So hopefully those will be within the next couple of days. Until then, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. It means so, so, so much to me. You guys have a wonderful day, and thank you again for coming. Bye.